Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form I-131, which is application for travel documents, parole documents, and arrival or departure records. This is a new version just released a couple months ago that will expire on June the 30th, 2027. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from USCIS website and my personal experience. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. In this video, we are going to talk about how to file the form, the filing fee, supporting documents, and where to file. Basically, everything you need to complete this form and send it to USCIS. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this form will expire on the June the 30, 2027. They released a new version on just a couple months ago as well that will expire on the February 28, 2027. Do not file the old version. This is a brand new edition. So my advice, file the new one. So for this part right here is for USCIS use only. Do not touch it. This one right here is for attorney if you use one. But for us, we're gonna start right here where it says start here. Type or print in black ink. You can do both. You can type and then when you print it, you can add anything with a black ink. But my advice, never correct anything that's been already typed. We're gonna start from part 1, which is application type. If you see this one is different, if you check the preview editions, this one is totally different. So part 1, application type. So for this video, we're gonna do the parole documents. So for people doing adjustment of status and waiting for their green card. So we are not, for this video is not for re-entry permit, is not for refugee travel document, is not for travel authorization document, is gonna be for advanced parole document. That's what this video for, because the form it will be different from application type to application type. So we're gonna start by advanced parole document for non-citizens who are inside the United States, an advanced permission to travel for Commonwealth of Northern Mariana Island, long-term residence. I am located inside the United States and I'm applying for advanced parole document to allow me to seek parole into United States under INA section upon my return from abroad based on A, which is a pending form I-485 application to register permanent resident or adjust status receipt number if you are filing this form separately from your form I-485. Read this very carefully. So now we select application type. So we're gonna skip all other different application type. We're not gonna use it. So we're gonna go straight to part 2. Part 2 is gonna be information about you. So the family name, it's Baker, and the given name, it's Bushra. This is for my spouse for K3 visa. Middle name is Inay. We start talking about the information about you. I always do this, NA, just for the first one, and then basically if you do this, the other one is NA. So current mailing address or safe address, in care of name, it's Baker Bushra. Street number and name is 120 Robert Run, Indianapolis, state Indiana. The zip code is 46254, and the country, of course, is USA. So current physical address, if different from the above address, if you have a physical address that is different from the above, you can add it right here. For us, is the same. So other information, alien registration number, you can get it from your I-797C, like this one right here. If you have it from your K3 right here, you can have it right here. So you will need it, enter it right here. Country of birth is Morocco. Can get it, you know your country of birth, of course. Country of citizenship or nationality, it's Morocco. Gender is male, she's female. Date of birth is January the 1st, 1995. US social security number, it's just a fake one, just for learning purposes. USS online account number, she does not have this one at this point, but if you do, just enter it right here. Because there is some people that if you fill up application before, you will have it. But if this is the first time you do an adjustment of status, I don't think so. You don't have it. You don't have it. So if you are physically present in the United States and you are seeking a temporary protected status (TPS) travel authorization, document, advanced parole, or renewed period of parole, re-parole, or parole in place, Part 1, item number 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, or 11, complete the following. So for us, it's Part 5. So I'm sorry, item number 5. So class number 12, class of admission is K3 visa. Most recent form I-4, arrival departure record. If you have any, you can enter it right here. And expiration date, if you have expiration date on it. Sometimes you don't have expiration date on it, but if you do, we just put it right here. For us, we leave it blank. A medical, US parole, I just leave it blank. I don't have it. So information about them. So this one is going to be left blank in my case. If you are requesting parole on behalf of someone other than yourself, so it does not apply for me. So it's going to be left blank. So we're going to go straight to Part 3. Part 3 is biographic information of the person who will receive the travel document, parole documents, or arrival departure record. This applies for all the type of application. So 1, ethnicity, not Hispanic or Latino. Race, consider white. Height, 5'2". Weight is 160. Eye color is black, and hair color is black. Part 4, processing information. If has the person who will receive the travel document, parole document, or arrival departure record, if approved, been in any execution, deportation, remove, or recession proceedings? In my case is no. Thus, it will depend the case to case. Have you ever before been issued a re-entry permit or refugee travel document? If you answer yes, you're gonna provide this information right here. But for us, it's no. But in case if you answer yes, you're gonna provide when a date issued and disposition, attached, lost, stolen, damaged, or destroyed, still in my possession. I'm sorry. Have you ever been issued an advanced parole document? If you answered yes, please provide the information in item 3B, 3C. In my case, it's no, but if you answered yes, you're gonna provide this information right here, date issued, and of course disposition right here. So if you are requesting parole from outside the United States, parole in place, or re-parole from inside the United States, skip to Part 8. So in my case, no, but we're gonna go right here to if you are requesting parole from outside the United States, in place, or re-parole from inside the United States, skip to Part 8. So we're gonna go straight to Part 8. Part 5, we're not gonna use it. Part 6, we're not gonna use it. Part 6, we are not gonna use it. We're gonna go straight to Part 7. Information about your proposed travel. Complete only if you are applying for advanced parole document. Part 1, item number 5. They specify for you right here. So date of intended departure, in my example, is going to be March 1st, 2025. And the purpose of trip, my dad is hospitalized for kidney failure and he will have a surgery on this date, so I want to be with him in the surgery date. Just an example. List the countries you intend to visit. In my case, just Morocco. If you're gonna visit multiple countries, you can add them right here. How many trips do you intend to use this document? Is one trip. Expected length of trip, in my case, is 21 days. Part 8, we're not gonna do anything in this one right here, is because it's for initial parole document. It does not apply for my case for a parole document. Part 9, it does not apply for us as well. So we're gonna go straight to part 10. Application, applicant, contract information, certification, and signature. Read the information on the penalties and travel warning in the form instruction before completing this part 10. So provide your daytime telephone number, mobile telephone number if any, and email address. So applicant daytime telephone number is the same as the mobile phone number. Is here too. Okay. Applicant email address is ba@gmail.com. Applicant certification and signature. First, I'm going to date it right here. For a signature, I'm not going to sign it until I print it. Then I will sign it with a black ink. Do not put your initial right here or your full name. But that's my advice. If you do that, your form will be rejected by USCIS. Part 11, if somebody helped you in interpreting this form, you can add it right here, interpreter's full name, and you give the information of the interpreters. For part 12, it's just signature of the prepare. If you used one, if somebody helped you prepare this form, you can enter the information of the prepare in this form right here. One thing that is very important, if you use a prepare the same way, the prepare must first date it and then sign it with a black ink. Do not write the full name of the prepare right here or initial. So part 13, additional information. This is just additional information. If you have to add anything, if you need to add anything, here you need a family name. You gotta write it right here. It does not gonna let you because we're doing this from online, and it does not let me do it over here. But if you download this and in Adobe, it will automatically, the information will be copied right here. Your full name and given name, middle name, and a number. But in case if you use this form right here from online, you can do it that way. When you print it, just add your family name, given name, middle name, and your a number. And if you want to add anything right here, and I have a separate video if you want to watch it for additional information page. So now we talked about how to file the form I-131. Now let's talk about the filing fee. So the filing fee will depend from the application type. So for us, we're gonna go straight to travel document. Item 5. See here they are different. So part 1 for item 5A on the form 131. That's what we need. So it's $630. That's the fee, $630. Now we know the fee. Now let's go to supporting document. This is what we need for advanced parole document. If you are currently in the United States, you need a copy of an official photo identity document, 2 identical passport style photographs of yourself taken within 30 days of the filing of this form, a copy of any document showing your current status in the United States, an explanation or other evidence showing the circumstances that warrant issuing an advanced parole document, evidence if you use the DACA recipient, a copy of US CIS receipt as evidence that you have filled form I-485 if you are applying for adjustment of status, and a copy of the US consular appointment letter if you are traveling to Canada to apply for an immigrant visa. So that's what you need. Now let's talk about where to file. It's part 1, item 5A. If you file form I-131 together with I-485, you will need to send it to this address, same address that you are filing your form I-485. If part 1, item 5A, filing form I-131 alone, if you use just form I-131 alone and your form I-485 receipt notice, notice starting with these letters right here, M, S, C, and I, O, E, or does not have 3 letters, you send it to this lockbox, USCIS lockbox file location chart for certain family-based forms. Adjustment of status applicant, filing form I-131 alone, and you on your form I-485 receipt notice, form I-797 notice action, start with this right here. So basically you're gonna go with your form, how you doing it by yourself, is doing it by itself, or you doing it with adjustment to status. You're gonna pick the one that apply for you right here because they are different. So we covered all the element you need in this video. For your form, filing form I-131, filing fee, supporting document, and where to file. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.